Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a packing video and I figured I can bring you along with me. Don't mind my voice, I actually have a cold. I'm going to pack Ariella's things and get her stuff started. I actually started packing her food and stuff. So I actually bought, let's see. I bought a bunch of these from Meyer, it's Meyer brand. So they're 4-ounce containers. They were $1, so I'm like, well, why not? Just something for the road trip. And my battery's about to die. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that, my camera died, so I had to switch cameras. I wanted to show you guys what I got for her. I ended up buying Meyer brand baby food. I don't know how good it is, but I mean, it's just fruit. The ingredients are apple, puree, lemon juice. So, it's basically what I make at home, but I just add cinnamon in it. So I got her 2 containers of apple. I got her some mixed berries, and I also bought her some healthier things like some veggies. So I got her mixed veggies as well. So I was going to buy her the pouch food things, and they ended up being 89 cents, and these were $1 for 2 4-ounce containers. So I figured I saved some money, you know, buying that instead of just 1 pouch of food for 89 cents. And they also have these on sale for $1. They're not exactly like the puffs from Gerber, but they're still pretty decent. Honestly, I tried it and they taste like Cheerios, but with a little bit of like flavor. So I opened one for her, and right now she's eating banana. So it tastes like Cheerios, but in like a banana flavor, I guess. So anyways, I ended up buying blueberry for her, and I also got her some apples, strawberry apples, sorry. And then what else do I have? I bought these a while ago, and they're just little puffs, so I have that for her too. So basically I just put all of her food in this bag, and it has a zipper on it, which I love. So I'll put all of her sippy cups, her bottle stuff, and her formula and food in there for the trip. So that's pretty much my go-to bag that I use. And this is how I organize her stuff. So I put everything in plastic bags just because it's easier to fit in here instead of like carrying boxes or just have everything separate. So that's all I have for her for right now. So I really, don't mind the music, I really wanted to focus on packing her clothes and everything. So anyways, I'll go through and sort her clothes first and pick out outfits, and then I'll put them together inside a suitcase. So when I'm looking for like a pair of pants with a cute top, it's already together and I don't have to like flip through everything. Yeah, so I figured I show you guys my packing skills. They're not the greatest, but it gets the job done. So I'm very OCD about being organized and like neat and everything, and I do it my own way because I remember where I put everything and stuff like that. So we have a lot to pack. So let's get this packing started. So my husband and Ariella went to his parents' house, and I figured I can stay home and start packing. So today is Sunday, February 16th, and we're leaving Tuesday morning. So I have today and I have Monday to pack, and then that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the pile of her clothes that I just washed and pick out some of them to bring to Florida. Okay, so we are leaving early Tuesday morning, and we are actually driving to Nashville. And then we're leaving from Nashville sometime Wednesday, and we're going to drive another 7 or 8 hours to Atlanta, or just south of Atlanta. And then Thursday, we are going to drive to Clearwater, Florida. So it'll be nice to like get away from this Michigan weather and whatnot. So anyways, we plan on staying in Clearwater Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I think Monday morning we will be heading back. I do have like a couple really cute outfits that I'm going to bring for her. laid everything out. Her pajamas are over here. A couple of things I'm going to put away, so I'm not going to keep out. And then some pants, diapers, socks. Over here on the rocking chair, I put some clothes here that I'm going to hang up in her closet. I'm actually going to take out all the clothes in her closet that I have hanging up and just go through everything and see what outfits I can find and whatnot. So I'm just going to grab all these and I'll show you them. I have this super cute romper with some elephants on it. Okay, so I'm going to pick out some outfits and put them together, and then I'll show you guys what I end up picking out and what I'm actually going to pack. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Hey guys, okay, I'm back. So I have her outfits picked out. I always overpack some extra outfits as well. So here's everything that she'll be wearing. So this one is just a really cute seagull, and it comes with these really cute pants. I don't know if I'm going to pack this one, but I just thought it'd be cute and summery for her. It'll be cute for Florida, but we'll see. I have a long sleeve. It's kind of like a sweatshirt material, but it's not really a sweatshirt. So it says Perfectly Sweet, and then it comes with the pants. I have just like a pink hoodie for her to wear, and it actually is not that bright. It just shows really bright in the camera. It's more of like a little bit darker pink. So I figured she could wear that with this Jordan outfit. So it says Air Jordan, and it comes with some black pants as well, and it comes with another onesie. So I counted this as 2 outfits, and she could just wear the sweatshirt over it if she needs to. So it has writing on it. It says "Ain't no mama like the one I got," and it's a thin long sleeve, and it comes with these really cute pants. Those are the clothes I had picked out for her, and I just have like some random socks that I will be picking out to go with the outfits. Oh, and I also forgot to show you, I have this really cute jean jacket, which I think will be perfect for Nashville, because in Nashville right now it's like in the 40s and 50s, so it is a little bit cooler. So I just literally love this jean jacket on her. And if you haven't seen her wear it before, I have a picture posted on my Instagram, so I'll have that down below in the description. Also got this sun hat as well. It's like a mesh material. Her bathing suits. So she has this really cute one with the little ruffles, and it comes with the top piece, and this goes behind her neck like that. And then this really cute bathing suit as well. Okay guys, I'm back again. So it's probably like an hour later. I have finally got everything situated and put together, and I have a majority of her stuff packed. I do have some clothes in the wash. I gotta put them in the suitcase, and then there's just like a couple other things. So I just wanted to show you everything that I have done so far and how I have things organized. Anyways, I have diapers, so I have half a box of Love's diapers that I will be bringing, and I also have some diapers in there too. Next, I have her burp cloths and her changing pads, the waterproof thing. So I have small burp cloths, and then I have the larger ones on the bottom, nicely packed. And then here's the changing pad liner things, so they're waterproof. And I like to use these when I'm using her changing pad, or if I'm just changing her on the bed real quick. And I put this under her in case she pees, because I learned that the hard way a few times. I have a pack of 75 Baby Gannix hand sanitizing wipes. And I also love using the Pacifier Wipes, but it's great for bottles, cups, and teething toys as well. I just like to keep these on hand, and I always have a pack of these with me in her diaper bag. Next, I just have a pile full of Bibs. She is teething like crazy, and she drools so much now. I just brought some Bibs just to use to wipe her mouth if we're in a car, or even if we're at the restaurant or whatever. So next, I'm bringing a pack of 100 wipes. I have this really cute bag. So in here, I have her lotions. She has some soap, like shampoo and stuff. She has bug spray, sunscreen, and just some travel Aquaphor ointment. And then on this side, she has some Q-tips, because if she has a rash, I don't like to use my fingers on her butt. Don't ask why, I just think it's a lot quicker and easier to use a Q-tip to apply it. So anyways, I have 2 containers of the travel size Destin ointment as well for her diaper rash. I have a comb, I have the Q-tips, and then I have her nail clippers, just because you never know. I have a nail filer, and I have a thermometer as well. I don't know why the camera isn't focusing. And then here's just some disinfecting wipes to clean the thermometer. And usually I use a smaller bag, but since I'm bringing her sunscreen and bug spray and extra shampoo and stuff, I'm going to use this bigger bag. But I love it. All you have to do is just take this and just wrap it like that, and it's ready to go. So that holds a lot of things. Next, I have these bags here, and I like to use them when I'm packing. So I kind of use them as packing cubes. So I have all of her bows here that goes with her outfits and stuff. So usually I put them in there, and it helps keep them organized. So next I have another one of these, and I am going to put all her socks in here. And next are her clothes. So I have her bathing suits on top that I just literally threw on here. And next I have all of her outfits. So this is everything that I showed you guys. I did end up taking a couple of things out of here that I showed you guys. I don't think she'll be able to fit into them, so that's why I kind of took them out. So I did find like a couple other clothes that I did just throw in here just to have. So this pile here, I have one outfit right here, and then I have the 2 outfits right here, the cheetah print and the orange jacket with the jean jacket. So I have 1 outfit and 2 more. So that's 3 outfits right here. And next I have, sorry, I just like threw some of these, just throw them on top. I have 1 outfit, and then I have 2 outfits here, and then I have another one on the bottom, and then I have this one on top, and then I have another one underneath it, and then I have this cute zip up as well. And then next I have 2 pairs of pajamas here, and the other ones are in the wash. And then here is just like some extra clothes for her to wear. So I just find it super easy to organize and sort everything out. So next I have her hats, and I'm going to end up putting them in like a separate bag. And I did forget to mention her blankets. I am going to pack some thin ones and some thicker ones in case it gets a little bit chilly for her. And I am also going to pack these security blankets that I have. I used these like once with her, but they're super thin. I have these really cute cat eye sunglasses that she will be rocking. But yeah, that's about it. Like, that's all I really have for right now. And then I still have to pack my stuff, which I will probably do tomorrow. So I'm actually going to end the video here. I hope it's not too long for you guys, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And I'm going to finish picking up her room and cleaning up this stuff and get the rest of the bows and her socks picked up and put away. So thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell down below so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye guys.